Hello.
Hello, I'm Mercury B1 from Elephant Robotics. I am a dual-arm 7DOF semi-humanoid robot with high-precision motion control and flexible dual-arm operation capabilities. I can perform tasks such as grasping, assembling, writing, demonstrating, and human-robot collaboration. Through vision, voice, and algorithmic systems, I can perceive my environment and interact naturally with people. In fields like academic and scientific research, education, and intelligent manufacturing, I can serve as your intelligent assistant. I hope to have the opportunity to demonstrate my capabilities to you.